Most of the time, we notice that we pass flatulence or we pass gas through our vaginal. This is what we call queefing. You see someone who has vaginal, they can also queef. They can also pass flatulence. They can also pass gas through their vaginal. In this kind of condition, it is normal for every woman who have vaginal. This queefing occur due to trapped air inside the vaginal. It can occur as a result of too much exercise. Once you over exercise your vaginal, or once you have vigorous sex, once you have too much sex, you can have those air trapped inside the vaginal. And you begin to notice that this air begins to come out on their own, just like your normal gas you pass through your anus. But most time, those women who experience this queefing all the time, they become embarrassed, they become ashamed. But this queefing is not something that you should be ashamed of because it is a normal thing for you. You even notice that women who queef through their vagina or who pass flatulence through their vaginal, it smells less than the normal flatulence you pass through your anus. There are certain conditions that can actually bring this queefing for women. If you are the type of woman that you experience this queefing all the time, before you know it, you pass flatus, you pass flatulence. What are those conditions that can actually result to that? Number one is that if you are the type of woman that have too much sex, you have multiple sexual partners, you're always having sex, you are at risk of passing those flatulence. Then number two is vigorous exercise. If you're a woman, you ride bicycle all the time, or the kind of exercise you do, it involves you stressing your pelvic muscles. This can trap in air inside your vagina. Then number three cause or number three thing that can result to this queefing in a woman, it can occur naturally due to menstruation or due to ovulation. So women who are in these stages of menstrual period or women who are ovulating, they tend to queef as well. Another is if you have a history of urinary incontinence. Yes, you see women who have history of urinary incontinence, they also have risk of having queefing in their vagina because in urinary incontinence, that is when you have dripping of urine coming out from your bladder. So if you are the kind of woman that have experienced this or you are experiencing this queefing, you are passing out this flatulence, these gases from your vagina, it is a normal thing for you. But I will tell you some of the ways you can help to prevent this queefing. It can only reduce, but you can't prevent it totally because I already told you that queefing is something that occurs naturally for every woman who has vagina. You don't expect your vagina to be elastic every time. Since you use your vagina in exercise, in having sex, you are at risk of having reduced elasticity in your vagina. So once this elasticity of your vagina reduce, that is when you have air trapped inside the vagina and that results to your queefing. So you only have to practice this exercise. There's exercise we call Kegel exercise that involve you exercising your pelvic muscles that support your vagina. Once you practice this exercise, research shows that it can help you to bring back the elasticity of your vagina and help you to tighten your loose vagina that could trap air. So once you involve in this Kegel exercise, it should be a moderate one, the one that will not overstress your vaginal tissues again, that can actually bring about trapping of air. So it will help you to reduce the risk of having this queefing. So in all, every woman should know that this queefing is a normal thing. It is different from your flatus. It is different from the gas you pass through your anus when you have digestive issues. I still remain yours, Nos Malik. Till we meet again in our next video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video,